In this video, I want to show you how to do force color composition in QGIS. When we talk of force color composite, it is an image processing technique where spectral bands are reassigned to different color channels other than their natural representation. And for example, healthy vegetations appear in shade of red in a standard force color composite because it strongly reflects near infrared radiation. So this technique enhances the interpretation of land cover, water bodies, and geological formation. Force color composite has wide application in environmental monitoring, agriculture, and urban planning. Today I want to show you how to do it in QGIS. So let's get started. In QGIS, I have this Landsat image and I have some bands. I choose to bring in band 1 to band 7. Of course, you can choose to do for band 1 to band 11 as the case may be. So we are demonstrating this exercise for Landsat 8 from band 1 to band 7. So to do the first color composite, come to raster and come to miscellaneous and click on build virtual raster. So when it opens this page under parameter, then here you will see input layers. Click here and then click on select all to select all your bands. Then click on OK. So all the 7 bands has been selected. Then the resolution, leave it at average. Here, place each input file into a separate band. It's very important. Check it, because that is what will help us to have each band separate such that we'll be able to do band combination later. Then scroll down and come to this no data value, put 0. Then this virtual, click here and click on save to file. Navigate to your working folder and let's call it FCC. Then click on save. And after that, leave other thing at default and click on run. This will take few seconds to run. It is done. Then click on close. When you close it, you can see our first color composite. So let me uncheck all this. Then right click and go to properties. Here under symbology, the red band, you can click here and select, for example, band 5. The green band, select band 4, and the blue band, leave it at band 3 and click on OK to see the results. Yes, you can see the result here. You can see how it looks like. Then you can still change the color depending on you. You can just play along with it. Go back. For example, let's change this to band 6 and then band 2 and click on OK. You can see how the color changes. So after band composite, you can do different band combination. Let's say band 7, band 3, band 4. This depends on what you are looking at. You can see the color composite. So in essence, this is how to do band composite in QGIS. Thank you for watching.